Hi friends, thank you so much for coming back to craft with me today, and welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Alyssa, and today we're making this adorable little pocket folder using our 6x6 paper. So there are tons of pockets on the front here, hence all of the beautiful layers. So I've just embellished my first pocket with a purple flower sticker and a little "love this" cut apart. And then in the first pocket, I just have, actually, these two are the only things in the first little pocket there. So I just have this cute little chipboard piece and then this sticker here. And this little pocket is actually like a double pocket. So I have these two purple flower stickers in the back, and I'll try to show you. So there's like a pocket here and then a pocket right here. I know that's very hard to see, but it's pretty much just like a double pocket back there. And then we have a taller pocket here. So I just stuck this little card in there. And I did just glue this sheet down onto a file folder. So that's how I got my little file tab up there. And I just put a to-do sticker there so you could make a little list. And you can even write on the back as well. So that's kind of what the front looks like with nothing inside. Okay, so now we're going to flip this to the inside, and we have a tuck spot over here. So I've just put this little ticket here that says cherished and some flowers down below. And this is just a tag that I've tucked into my tuck spot, and I put a blue butterfly sticker up at the top. And then over here, I just used this little washi sticker to tape down this journaling card here. So there's also a pocket, a side pocket that I did notch, but I know you can't see that. But anyway, there is a side pocket on this very last page. So I just stuck this little chipboard piece back there. And that's pretty much it for this pocket folder. So this is great for single-sided 6x6 paper. So go ahead and grab whatever's in your stash and we can create one of these together. Today I am going to be using this little paper pack that I got at the Dollar Tree. So it's not this one here, it's actually this pack. And let's just start with the base of the folder, which is super simple. We're just going to grab one 6x6 and you can fold it right in half, or you can just score it right down the middle at 3. So I'm just going to score mine. And I'll go ahead and fold this in half. And actually, if you are using single-sided paper, you want your print to be on the inside. So I'm actually going to fold it this way. And so this is going to be my front, and it's going to open like that. But that's it for the folder. Let's just put that aside for now. And we can go ahead and work on the outside pocket. So you just want to grab another 6x6 paper. This is the one I'm going to be using. I'm just going to flip it over because that print is super busy. But at the 6-inch side here, we're just going to score at 1.5 and 4.5. So I have 1.5 and 4.5. And I'm just going to fold both of these sides in. Like so. So that we have this, but we're just going to leave it closed. And I'm actually just going to turn it over to the back so that my flaps aren't in the way. But now I'm just going to hold this at the 6-inch side, and I'm going to score at 2. So just keep in mind the direction of your print, because this little 2-inch score here is going to be that smaller pocket on the outside of our folder. So we're basically going to be folding this upward. And so we're going to have a pocket here, and then there's going to be a pocket behind it as well. So yes, this part here that's open is going to be the front. And then this is what the back is going to look like. Okay, so that's it for the pocket. And let's just go ahead and bring back our folder here. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the flap here on my pocket, and the folder here is going to be slid inside. So it's going to kind of go something like this. And I'll try to show it to you at a good angle, but it's pretty much gonna get slid into this little tab so that we get our tuck spot on the inside here. So we are gonna have this tab still, but this we're gonna glue down, and that will create this taller pocket here on the outside. So the first thing that I'm gonna do actually is glue down this tab here in the back to the blank side here of my folder. So I'm just going to slide that out, and I'm just going to place glue all over this tab. And so you really want to make sure you get the edges so that it's not interfering with anything that you're trying to put in your pocket. Now we're just going to gently and carefully slide our folder again into the little tab here. And I'm hoping this is a good angle for you guys, but just be careful of the glue, obviously, on this tab. But just go ahead and slide that in. And then you can just press your page down or your little tab like that. And just make sure everything is lined up nicely. And of course, if any glue did happen to get inside of your pocket, you can just separate it gently with your little scoring tool or bone folder, and that should be fine. But there's our little pocket there. And then for this pocket in the front, we're simply just gonna glue the two sides here and here, and that will close this part up. So you will have these two little flaps here on your front pocket. So if that bothers you, you can do something like how I did with this one and just glue an embellishment or put a sticker right in the center, and that'll just close that up and cover it up. Or you can also just utilize these little flaps as extra tuck spots. So I'm just taking a scrap paper here, and for example, you could tuck it behind one of the flaps there and take something else and just tuck it right behind this flap. And that'll be really cute, layered up. These are just scraps, obviously, so you can do that as well. And then there's also going to be this pocket behind here. So there's definitely lots of places to tuck things. And then of course this one here. So that's going to be it for the pockets on the front. So here's what the inside is going to look like. If you did want to corner around this spot here, you could do that. I think I should still be able to, even though it's all glued now. And then you have this page here where you could write a note, or if you wanted to create another one of these pockets, you could just glue it right onto the inside here as well. But now if you're using single-sided paper, the back is going to be blank. So what I did was I just grabbed one more sheet of 6x6 and I just cut this in half right down the middle. So now this is 3x6. And so one of these I will use to cover up the back here. And this extra one you could use as a tag or something else inside of this pocket folder. So I'm going to create my side pocket here in the back. So I'm just going to glue down 3 sides here. And that'll give you an extra pocket. And then I'll just place this right over top. And do your notch as well if you want to do that. So there's our little side pocket in the back. Now this piece here, you might have to cut down just a little bit on the side, but I mean, it just depends. Like it fits pretty well in my tuck spot here, but I'm still gonna cut it down just a little bit. So I'll cut off just a little sliver there. And that's a little bit better. So this could be just whatever you want it to be. I'm going to turn mine into a tag because I personally like tags. So I'm just going to chop out the corners here. So you have a cute little tag for the inside. And then I'm actually going to take this little scrap here. Why not? And I'm just going to glue it right here for a little extra writing space. Just right in the center because I don't want to cover up these pretty flowers. And let me just go to the front here and we can start to decorate some more. So I did go ahead and create another one of these little journaling cards using a file folder. And I just put Stay Simple at the top. And this is actually the same paper as this. So you could journal and write all over that. And I'm going to stick that in my bigger pocket here. And I have this 3x4 journaling card. I'm actually going to put that in my side pocket in the back there. So something taller obviously will fit inside of here, but that's just what I had on hand. So I'm going to use that. This is just another chipboard piece that I'm going to probably stick into my pocket here. And I do want it to be like sticking out on all of the edges there, so that's perfectly fine the way it is. And then I finally received my ephemera pack here that I purchased from Joann's. I had to order this online and it literally took forever to get here, but a lot of my projects going forward may feature some of these because there were a lot of pieces in here, and I'm sure you guys have already seen videos of these as well. So I just got that one there, and this was just one of the little pieces that came in it, and it's a little chipboard tag. So I think I'll just stick that in this main pocket. And I'm just going to glue this butterfly sticker on the front here. So again, that'll kind of help to close up the middle part there. But you really don't even have to do anything because it stays pretty closed. But I'm just going to glue this right about there. So I think that's going to be it for the outside. And there's still lots of space to tuck even more goodies like ephemera, stickers, and journaling cards. But how pretty is this already just layered up like that? And my inside is pretty much finished, but I may just add a few more embellishments to my tuck spot. I think I'll just stick one of these gemstone sunflower stickers somewhere over here. And I suppose I'll add this little bee as well. Maybe right there. So there's my little embellishment for the tuck spot. And I think I'm pretty much done with the inside. So there's my cute little tag. There's a space to write a little note. And I just love how this one came out. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this fun, easy tutorial today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration. I actually just realized this is my last video of the year. So I hope that you all have a wonderful new year and have so much fun. Stay safe, and I will see you all in the new year with some more fun, crafty videos. So once again, Happy New Year, happy crafting, and huge hugs to each and every one of you.